Beautiful. Let's go. Wow. Wow. This is awesome. This is awesome. This place. It's really extraordinary. Amazing, guys. And we will show you the painting here. And this trap. It's something wonderful. It's representing. Look, guys, this is the shepherd who's living here before the angels announced the birth of Jesus. So this extraordinary. It's amazing. Wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. Wonderful. Wonderful. Nice. Nice place. Wonderful, guys. Extraordinary place. And let's go to the other painting. And this also, guys, this other painting here, as you can see, there, they announced the birth of Jesus, and right here, here's the shepherd. Incredible. That's awesome. Look, guys, unbelievable. So, according this is the baby Jesus, Mary and Joseph, and this is the shepherd. Incredibly wonderful. Wow. This place, guys, it's really glorious. So amazing. Let's go and check the third painting. So, guys, this is the third painting here. So you can see. You can see there the stars of Christ, and this is now the shepherds. After this, the baby Jesus in the manger, they're going back to their homes happy and enjoying and proclaiming the birth of Jesus. Wow, extraordinary. Nice place. That's very nice. Very nice. Look, guys, even the dog, it's really happy. Amazing. This place is really wonderful, guys. This is really incredibly beautiful.